Hi again everybody. Oops, just 1 minute, I need my knife. As I mentioned in my last video about Dimby has grass allergies, and that means to say that he's allergic to grass, and that's through absorption. That means that when any grass touches Dimby's body, he comes out in scalps all over his body. He's fine on straw, but the last batch we had a lot of grass in it, so he started to come out in scalps. So Dimby's now going back on shavings, general shavings. Here you go. It's nice, good quality, as you can see. And again, as I said before, he will end up on rubber matting. So today I'm going to show you how to put a shaving tray down. So this is completely new. Dimby will only need 2 bags of shavings. Shavings are expensive, but they do last a lot longer. If you use a knife, be careful and remember where you put the knife afterwards. Also, if you use shavings, this is your shavings fork. You see? And this is to help separate the shavings and also to help you muck out, which I'll show you another time. So that's my shaving fork. So for now, I'll empty my bag, do my wall. That's my first bag. You get quite a lot out of your bag. Well, do, unfortunately, not. We're at my other bag. There we go. And it's doing your banks again. See, and then you put your bed down on top. As I said before, Dimby doesn't need a very big bed with him being a miniature. And then if you just round your top to your back, bounce off with your fork and smooth it along. There, and there's your shavings bed, as you can see. And that's a nice shavings bed. Okay. Right, that's Dimby's bed finished. I actually went out and got another sack of shavings, a different type of shavings, because the 2 that I went and got before, I didn't feel it was thick enough. So there's Dimby's bed, and There's his hay in the corner, in his bucket all ready for him coming in with his feed. And then if I just pop over here, there's Caddy's. You can see the banks, there's hay net. And his is all ready now for him coming in. Oh, excuse the movement. So basically, there you go. Caddy's hay nets. There's his food waiting. And the most important thing, the banks. As you can see, the walls. There you go. So that's Caddy's all waiting ready for him. And there's his water bucket. Okay. Thank you again for looking. Bye. We have Dimby finished stable. I ended up going out and getting another bag of shavings because I wasn't happy with the size of the stable. The size of the bed. So we went and got another bag of shavings. And there's our Dibbies. Hey Dibs. We've had the farrier today. So there's his bed and the walls banked up at the side. Dimby's water. And his hay is kept in the bucket at the side when Dimby gets out of the way. And there's his hay kept in the bucket. So we hope you've enjoyed our film, don't we, Caddy? And please come and look and see if I've got any more done. Thank you very much.